Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Eclipse on Windows. To install Eclipse, go to a browser and type Eclipse download, press enter. Click on the first link. Here click on downloads, download 8664. Click on it. Click on download. Click save. So now the download has started. The installer is around 159 MB. So let's wait for it to download. So now the download is complete. Click on this folder. So here you can see that the Eclipse exe is downloaded. So double click on this exe. So this will bring up the installer. So here to develop web applications, to develop Java applications as well as Java web applications, we can select the second option. So this will give you the tools to develop Java web applications. So select this. Here you can change the installation location or you can keep it as it is. So I'll keep it as default. Here you can select the latest JRE version. So JRE 25. Now click on install. So the installation is in progress. Let's wait for it to complete. You can go to the license and click on accept. So the installation is in progress. Wait for it to complete. So now the installation is complete. To launch the Eclipse, click on launch. It will ask you to select a directory as Workspace. By default, this will be the directory. You can keep it as default or change it. So I leave it as default and click on launch. Okay, so now we have launched the Eclipse IDE. So this is how it looks. Here you can create Java projects. So these are the steps you need to follow to install Eclipse and launch it. We have documented the steps that we have discussed in this video here. You can also refer this. I will be sharing a link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.